Welcome back to Top 5 Repairs. How do you know you have a failing automatic belt tensioner? The first sign that you know that your automatic belt tensioner is failing is your serpentine belt is constantly slipping. The automatic belt tensioner is either spring loaded or it uses hydraulic fluid. And when the automatic belt tensioner starts to fail, the serpentine belt cannot stay in place. So what's going to happen is the belt will start to slip on the pulley and you will start to hear squealing noise or screeching noise. The next sign that you know the automatic belt tensioner is failing is going to be bearing noise. If you hear a loud growling noise or metallic noise, then that's how you know the automatic belt tensioner is failing. So this is how it sounds like when a bearing is failing. The next sign that you know that your automatic belt tensioner is failing is the serpentine belt keeps slipping off. If the serpentine belt keeps slipping off, there's a very high chance it's going to wrap around the pulleys and the serpentine belt will start to shred. When it starts to shred, a lot of the fiber is going to get caught on the pulley. And this can cause all sorts of issue. And when the serpentine belt slip off, this is going to trigger the battery light because the alternator is not rotating. Your engine will start to overheat because the water pump is not rotating. Your AC will stop working. You're going to have a hard time steering because your power steering also will not work. If the bearing on the automatic belt tensioner start to fail, it will cause the pulley to seize. So that means the pulley can no longer spin. And when the pulley can no longer spin, this will cause the serpentine belt to constantly rub against the pulley, and this will cause increased friction. When there is too much friction, the rubber on the serpentine belt will start to burn, and this can cause the serpentine belt to break. Also, when you look on the pulley of the belt tensioner, you see a lot of rubber marks on it and maybe pieces on it, and also the pulley might look extremely shiny. The next sign that you know that the belt tensioner is failing is the pulleys start to wobble. If you grab the pulley and you rock it in and out and you see it constantly wobbling, then you need to replace that automatic belt tensioner. And lastly, check for tension. If it feels effortless to push down the belt tensioner, then you know that tension is weak and you should replace that automatic belt tensioner. I hope you found this lesson useful. As I'll thank you for watching. Subscribe to Top 5 Repairs.